So this is a short video how the BMW N20 engine is a turbo engine, the timing, how it's set up, and how is the marks, and how you check it out, the whole timing without the tools. But don't forget, you want to install the timing, you need the special tools, but you take it off the parts, it's easy. Okay, so the first, you remember the center bolt here in our crankshaft, we lose it. It's very tight. It's a 500 Newton meter. So just a reminder, I just check it, you see. So the 500 Newton meter, it's very tight, very tight. And I hope that one will work, because if it's not, we can do nothing today. That is very hard. I'm not a poor guy. So rock your body and do it. That one is not easy. Okay, when it starts losing, after, you're good. But don't forget, you need to do it before you take it out the engine. Okay, you check, you see that? So right now I just take it off the little bolts here. That one is holding the wheel belt pulley. So that one is just wiggling a little bit and this came off. Sometimes it's very rusty around here. Around here it's very rusty, so you need to use the little W40 or something and just pry out. Okay, so let's see the next step. So when you're done with that, you just came to the engine right side, to the passenger side, and you see over there the little plastic right there. That one you just hold with the plier and take it out, and see over there have a hole. So the pin just need to be go out over there. Here on the other side, on the flywheel side, it will be go in just only one place. So right now we go back to the front, front to the engine and turn it until the hole is coming over here. So I just hold this here and turn it. That hole, that one, that hole need to be go over there. You will see it's coming closer. Good. Let's see the, put it on the light here, put it in, but that's it. You see that there, and that one is go through how I need, and you see that it's coming to the other side. And this one, the T45, exactly fit top of the center to the engine. After that, you came to the front to the engine, and you see this one's, you know, right now we don't have a special tool to install over here on the front, but it's everything is top of the center right now. But you need to lose the bolt camshaft bolts here. That one is 15, 16. This one is a little bit hard, but you can do that. There you go. It's loose. One. And that's the other one. There you go. So, you're ready to lose that. That's coming the other part. I lose the chain tensioner. That one is don't need the special socket. You just use a crescent wrench and you can do that. It's not difficult. It's not over tight. There we go. Just hit it and you can turn it off, take it out. This is a timing chain tensioner, so just take it out. There you go. Very tight, but it's look okay. Okay, so right now we go back to the bottom side. So just make sure the center bolt is loose and you just wiggle the little piece around. Just didn't want to, you can help a little bit. There we go. Just a loose, because it's holding the oil film. That's it. This came out. You can take it out the center bolt right now. So this giant bolt and this piece. See, this is just an extension piece to the crankshaft. Okay, just put it aside, and you can see right now there is the crankshaft timing chain gear. Just wiggle over there, because this piece holding on it. This why the center bolt here is tied to 500 Newton meter. That is a lot. So right now we need to take it out, this plug and this plug, and take it out the bolts is holding for the chain guides. That one, 1, 2, 3 plug. It's with 8mm Allen. That is not really hard. Just loosen it here on the top too. And you have access to take it off the guide bolts. So the two bottom one is a T45. I lose it. Other one, lose it and take it out. And on the top one, and that one is T35. You need one socket is go through to the hole, because it's a little bit farther. So Yeah, you can just lose it easy. It's not biggie. So just take it out the bolts. There you go. That one is the top one. Go to the bottom one. There you go. That one. And that one. The two bottom one is changeable, so doesn't matter, it's the same. So right now, oops, we need to take it out these two bolts. These are torque bolts. There you go. You see better? Yeah. These two bolts. This is the torque head. One, two. Oops. There you go. One. And two. So right now we take off these bolts here that hold the vanuses. There you go. You see, this one is a very complicated bolts. This is adjust the timing. This is a exhaust side, and it's coming off the intake side too. There you go. So intake side too. So right now it's coming a process. You need to hold this one and try to lift it up for a hole. And you see, this is why the crankshaft timing chain gear is coming. This one is this kind of engine don't have the removable cover, timing cover, so that's why it came. And you see that this engine, the whole piece is broken because it's missing here. I just take it off this one. This is an exhaust, this is an intake. It's have a mark, it's mark on it to see the IN, and then an exhaust, same thing, have a EX. So that's good. You cannot switch it. Right now we take it out. This is a chain. Okay, that is a broken plastic piece, and I show you what's the special on this gear. because this gear is very special. This gear here have a the special surface when you tied the center bolt on the bottom one. When you tied, this one is make a strong connection. So don't forget 500 Newton meter. So just right now remove the rest of the plastic piece. That one is normally the one piece, but this one is broken, already broken. And here we just got the other piece here. It's broken, and there's a little sucks on this engine because you cannot do that just only this way. Here. So normally this one is somewhere hanging around here, and it's missing the one piece, from here. That one is I find it on the oil pan. So that's it. We need a new timing. Turn over the engine. There we go. So what we need to do is take it out the oil pump gear here. That one is required a special tool. You can't do that without the special tool. The special tool, it's ready here. This is the first one just arrived. So it's here. There you go. Look like this. Just have a couple of little pieces, bolts, and even the oil pump chain tensioner pin. So let's go do that. So don't forget, we just take it out the engine part. So this special tool need to be came over here and hold the oil pump shaft over here. So that one is need to be looking for the right place. And right now, because we take it off the gear, right, this free spinning, so you just need to check the place here when it's go in. Just turn it. There we go. Let's go in the place. Let's go in the place. You can secure it with bolt. This came with the kit. Here. Here. Don't need a really tight. Right now, just put in there, because this one is free spinning. It didn't hold the crankshaft. There you go. And just lose this bolt. this, there we go. This very tight. Okay, that's it. The tool is came out. So here's a pin. Here is the tensioner. You just push it all the way here, and over there have a two hole, having a plastic and have over there. So you just push it down there, and you try to secure on one place. With the rag it's hard to push. There you go. That's it. Right now you need to loosen this and this and this. It's not really tight. Take it out. There you go. And here we go. So here and here. Actually, that's it. Easy. Let's go put it on side. Thank you for watching. This is a timing. I will make the separate video when I install back everything together with a new timing, the timing guides. But right now I just want to show you because I didn't find too much information how to do that. So right now you know how to do that. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and check my other videos too. Hit the like button.